Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. FX update. A risk on vibe analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 6A098381122028 5754 AM USDIndex. Daily. The narrow trade weighted NBSP USD index NBSP edged out a 1-week high at NBSP 93.71, making this the third consecutive trading day a higher high has been seen. A softer tone in the euro has in part given buoyancy to the index while pushing NBSP Eurist NBSP to a 1-week low, at NBSP 1.1723. NBSP EURJP NBSP concurrently rose about 40 pips to a peak at NBSP 124.75. NBSP USDJP NBSP remained firm, but remained just shy of the 1-week high seen yesterday at NBSP 106.21. NBSP AUD-USD NBSP ebbed back under NBSP 0.7150, leaving highs at 0.718586, though still remained net higher on the day, while NBSP AUD-USD NBSP pegged a 4-day high. NBSP USD-CAD NBSP ebbed to a 4-day low at NBSP 1.3320, reflecting a modest degree of outperformance in the Canadian dollar, which has been concomitant with oil prices edging out new highs. Front-month NBSP US oil NBSP futures printed a 1-week high at NBSP $42.40. Is the dollar edging out a recovery phase after recent outperformance and 7 consecutive weeks of lows? The wake of the July U.S. jobs report, hopes of a new stimulus package, and with new coronavirus cases now dropping sharply across the Sun states, UK jobs data provided very mixed and confusing reading. The claimant count jumped 94,400 in July, bringing the claimant count rate to a whopping 7.5%, from 7.2% in the previous month. The less timely ILO unemployment rate unexpectedly held steady at 3.9% in the 3 months to June, but at the same time employment dropped 220K during that period. This was the biggest rise in over a decade, highlighting the impact of lockdown measures. Still, it is less than Bloomberg consensus expectations predicted and ties in with the general theme of a not as bad as feared with regard to the initial impact of virus measures. The question, of course, is what will happen when governments have scrapped support measures and the furlough scheme runs its course. NBSP cable NBSP was capped at NBSP 1.3100 NBSP yesterday, before slipping to NBSP 1.3055 NBSP following the claimant data, and has since recovered over to DA's pivot point 1.3060 to trade at NBSP 1.3075. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.